2023 to 2024 Toyota Grand Highlander USB replacement. What's up, everybody? I'm in a 2024 Toyota Grand Highlander. I'm going to be replacing this USB port right here. And get yourself a plastic pry bar interior tool. I will link one below, and possibly a tiny flathead. What you want to do is, this is connected to this trim piece. It goes like all the way down this way. It's not too bad to get off, but just gotta be careful because it's kind of fragile. So you want to reach back here and grab the back of this trim piece, and you're going to wiggle it and pull it forward. Lots of wiggling. And then this side needs to come out towards the passenger seat, and there's tabs on here, so if you just yank it off, you're going to break all the tabs, so be careful with that. I'll show you what I mean. So I'm going to just gently reach back in here, and then there's kind of like a round spot. You can just kind of wiggle it and just pull it forward just a little bit, just to get this part on the dash out like that. There's these little red clips that are attached to these plastic tabs. Now this part, we're going to wiggle it and pull it kind of down and then towards the passenger seat like this. These little hooks right here, these plastic hooks, so be careful, because if you just rip it off towards the passenger seat, it'll break. This will come out a little bit, but you could actually kind of just wiggle it and pull it forward a little bit, and there's actually a lengthy wire harness. Thank you, Toyota, for that. Now there's a little connector button right here, this little tiny button. You're going to push this button down and then pull the connector backwards by the connector. Don't pull it by the wires, and then you'll be able to pull this out like that. Now with that removed, this little USB, there's like a little clip on top. You push it down, and then you push down the clip, and with your other hand you push the USB forward, and then it'll pop out. It comes like this. Here's the part number on the side. That's the Toyota part number. Now currently these are not on Amazon, and there's no aftermarket ones, but I'll link them below when they become available. The only option we got is the Toyota parts dealer, which I will link below, about 145 bucks. So when you get your new one, it comes like this, and we're just gonna push it right through here. Make sure it's the proper orientation. Just push it right in. It'll just clip into place. And then we'll connect the connector. Like, make sure the connector gets in good. It should kind of snap, make a snap noise or a clip noise. Now once that's in, this is kind of the hardest part right here, getting this back in. There's this little plastic hook right here, and there's one on the bottom. We got to be really careful putting this back in. You got to feed the wire harness back in a little bit. And you're kind of at the same time going to be doing this, the clips up here and then the clips on the side. And then you also got to make sure your hooks go underneath their little spots they need to go to. There's a hook down on the bottom too. And yeah, you're just going to kind of wiggle it and slide the hooks in, and then push the trim piece in. It should look like just how it was from before. If it's like if there's a spot sticking out, then something's not right. But yeah, that's it, guys. So hopefully this video helped you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next video. Guys, that's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just some products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. I got a 15% off AUXITO.com promo code. Now, AUXITO has a bunch of products, but what they're mostly known for is their really good aftermarket headlights. So if you got an older car, 80s, 90s, 2000s, even a newer car, if it has a bulb, they probably got an upgraded bulb for you. You may have seen aftermarket LED headlights on Amazon, but the thing, I'm not going to say any names, but the thing is, they have a lot of issues. Sometimes they start to flicker after a few months, or they get hot and the LED burns off. AUXITO headlights come with integrated fans and modules that control all that stuff. So these are plug and play, super easy to put in. These are available on Amazon. You can get them there. However, if you go to the website and use the promo code GearmoAuto, you can get 15% off. It's really easy. All you got to do is go to the website on your phone or your computer, and then put in what kind of car you have, what year, make, and model, you know, that stuff, and then it'll display to you all the available lights for your vehicle. You can get headlights, tail lights, interior lights. Highly recommend getting some good interior lights. You'll be surprised how bright it is. So just type GearmoAuto in at the checkout, and you'll get 15% off.
Pretty good.